10. Concentration of a drug in a patient's bloodstream, T hours after administration, is given by this function. It's a rational function. C of T is in milligrams per liter. Don't know if we really need to know that. During what time interval will the concentration be greater than 1 milligrams per liter? So we want the concentration to be greater than 1. Okay, so the calculation needs to be greater than 1. Okay, so we need to get a 0 on one side. The first thing we're going to do is multiply both sides by that denominator. I'm going to put it in standard form. T squared plus 12 is less than 8t. Let's get a 0 over here. And get t squared minus 8t plus 12 is less than 0. So my factoring in, I get t minus 6, t minus 2. So my critical points are at 2 and 6. All right, set up my table. And concentration is not going to go negative. So again, we're just going to look between 0 and 2, 2 and 6, and then greater than 6. Test point. And I plug it in to, so we are looking for where this is less than 0. So we're looking for where this is negative. I'm going to plug it into the factored form. So plug in a 1, I get a negative times a negative, which goes positive. Plug in a 3, I get a negative and a positive, goes negative. Plug in a 7, I get 2 positives. Okay, so where is this less than 0, which is where it would be, the concentration would be greater than 1, is where it's negative. And they ask for interval notation, so x is less than 6 and greater than 2. Okay, we're done with chapter 3. Yay!